The front tire goes through here. You unscrew this, slide it through there, screw it back on, and you tighten it with the Allen wrench. There's the Allen wrench that comes inside here already. You just take it out. That's the second Allen wrench that comes with it. When you're putting the wheel on, you have to hold one screw on one side and one Allen wrench on the other side, counterclockwise, to tighten it. Screwing the bolt in. All right, we're gonna connect this one to here. There's a screw on this side. You unscrew that. You take these screws, put it on top here, and you screw them in there. The bell for the scooter, the screw is up under here, and you just screw it tight. This handlebar has a little push button, and you just push it in and it just clips in the inside. To charge it, you just push this lever down, insert the charger, flip this way, that's the on button. And here's your push start button.